So now we have loaded the tibble package into our R session. Let us start by learning how to create tibbles. Right? So we'll use the tibble function. Okay, you can use the tibble function, and then we can specify the name of the column followed by the data that would be present in this column. Right? So let us say we have column X which has letters. Right? So letters are basically these. I'll show you what letters are. Right? Letters are A to Z. Right? It's character data, and it is from A to Z. And let us say the second column has numbers from 1 to 26. We have 26 alphabets, so we have 20 numbers from 1 to 26. And the third column, let us say, has a sample of 26 from numbers within 100. Right? So we have 3 columns. We have created a tibble with 3 columns. Only thing that we are ensuring is that all the 3 columns are of the same length, right? Which is similar to data frame. All the 3 columns must be of the same length. If they're of different length, you will get an error. Now let us view this tibble. Right? So whenever you create a tibble, or whenever you do some data manipulation, or you read some data, if it returns a tibble, this is what you'll see. Right? First you will see a tibble followed by the number of rows and the number of columns. So in our case we have 26 rows and 3 columns. Then it is followed by the name of the columns, which are X, Y, Z. Then you can see the data type. Right? So the first one is character because it is alphabets or letters. The next 2 are numbers, and they don't have any decimal value, so they are treated as integers. And then you'll see the first 10 rows of your data. Right? So here the first 10 rows data, and then it says there are 16 more rows. So if there are some more columns which are not visible in the console, it will also print out that there are so many more columns and the names of those columns. Right? So you can use the tibble function, specify the name of the column followed by the data associated with that column. Just ensure that all the columns have the same length of data.